Okay, so we actually thought that we'd escaped the Velcro effect of Portugal, but it seems not. We were ready to sail off up towards Gibraltar, and then I got some sad news. My mum's not too well and she's 96. So we're just heading up the Faro channel here to get lifted out in Bruce's yard so that we can fly off back home to Glasgow.
Waves that whisper softly, but home's where I must be. Stars map out the night, moonlight guides the lone, but love back home needs tending. I can't leave them alone. Anchors away, love pulls me back. Sailing dreams lose track. Storms can't wait, my heart knows to care for love at home. When we'll fill those sails, another day for me. Today my course is grounded to where my love at home. Promises to the deep, dreams softly kept inside. There's a harbor in my heart. For love I will not hide. Lighthouse standing tall, beacon steady glow. It's my duty and my honor to help my loved one grow. Promise standing tall, beacon steady glow. It's my duty.
It's quite a nice place, apart from every 2 seconds you've got airplanes landing over the top of you. But yeah, this is actually quite a nice place. There's the airport just there. One of the babies coming in now. So that's Faro, just in here. At the moment we haven't got an anchor down or anything. We're just actually sitting in the water. There's not a lot of wind, so we're not actually going anywhere. We've got 8 meters underneath us, but not much wind. So we're basically just sitting waiting on Bruce coming out to collect us, because I believe that we go up that little channel here somewhere. But they won't let you come on your own, so.
I can't leave them alone. Anchors away, love pulls me back. Sailing dreams lose track. Storms can wait, my heart knows to care for love at home. Wind will fill those sails, another another day for me. Today my course is grounded to where my love needs me. Promises to the deep, dreams softly kept inside. There's a harbor in my heart. For love I will not hide.
What's she saying?
This is high tide at the moment. Across the airport. There's an airplane just about to take off.
Lighthouse standing
Faro?
tall,
It's going onto the taxiway.
beacon steady glow. It's my duty and my
There's our
honor
baby. She's just sitting here.
to help my loved
Just
one
getting
grow.
her ready for to leave her. Heading off back to Glasgow on the 22nd. Oh, she's not very shiny at the moment because I've just done her all with hard wax and never polished it off. I'm just going to leave the hard wax on her until we come back, and then I'm going to put another coat of the hard wax on and polish it all off. Then she'll be nice and shiny again. But at the moment, she's all ready for just for us to leave.
Wave me will float all night. Dreams of places far